In this video, I will show how to install Wi-Fi drivers in Windows 11. Search here Device Manager. Open this Device Manager. Now in this list, guys, you have to expand network adapters. Here you will get the Wi-Fi driver. Right click on it. Update driver. Search automatically. Firstly, try this one, and secondly, update driver. Browse my computer and select this. Let me pick from a list of available. Select it, then next. Now close it and restart. So this is the way you can try to install Wi-Fi driver. Thanks for watching.